Hey guys, it's your girl Shalae. I'm back today with another video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing free Thanksgiving and Christmas food baskets. Now, a lot of programs have started accepting applications a lot earlier this year due to our current climate. We discussed this in other videos where organizations such as Toys for Tots and Angel Tree, they're stepping in and putting those applications out to make sure you're covered this holiday season. But also there's organizations that will provide you a free meal this holiday season, and I'm talking about like beans, greens, tomatoes, potatoes, ham. Okay, so if you want to know how to get free food this holiday season for you or your family, you already know what to do. Stay tuned. Your girl's got you covered. Now, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, hi, hello, hey friend, my name is Shalae, and here on this channel we discuss shopping, saving, and everything in between. I would love to have you a part of my internet family. Super easy. Click the big old red subscribe button down below when you're in, just like that. And while you're at it, go ahead and give me a like because you love me bringing this content to you every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Now, the first place that we're headed to is Texas, where Hunts County is giving out holiday basket. But what you may not know about Hunts County is they have a program called FISH, where they provide assistance such as rent and utility payments, as well as helping others get vaccinations and a lot of other ways that they partner with the community. So this organization will start accepting applications for their Christmas and Thanksgiving baskets on October 1st. Now, to qualify for a basket, you must be a current client and have an up-to-date file with the pantry. But if you are a new client, you qualify as well. So you would just have to establish a file with the pantry and fill out the holiday basket application. The following items are required for the Hunts County Gives registration card. You would need a copy of like your SNAP letter, a recent utility bill, as well as they will send out a confirmation card to you to each qualifying household, assigning when you can pick up your Thanksgiving basket. And then they will do that first, and then probably a little bit, a few weeks later, you'll get another confirmation card for your Christmas basket. So there will be two different confirmation cards that will be sent to you. The distribution will take place on the morning of Saturday, November 21st for the Thanksgiving meal, as well as December 19th for your Christmas meal. So there will not be any alternate times or pickup as well. You would have to abide by those times and date. Now, the pantry says, hey, if you're not available, you may have at least someone sign up on your list who lives at your address to pick up your basket. You don't have to be present, but the original confirmation card with your information will have to be present, as well as a photo ID. So this is definitely a great program. Now, also in Texas, they do have a program for military families and veterans as well. So the Military Family Advisory Network, they have partnered with Colleen Food Care Center and Tyson to actually distribute family meals for more than 1,000 veterans for baskets as well. So they will be giving out baskets on Monday, November 22nd. All right, so next we are headed to Broome County, where they are doing their Thanksgiving basket signups. So individuals and families who live in Broome County can now have the opportunity to sign up for Thanksgiving baskets, and this includes all the items that you need to prepare a wonderful meal. And this is not like the expired stuff, okay? This is the good stuff. So sign up for these baskets take place on September 7th through October 15th. You can actually call 211 from your phone beginning Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and they will go ahead and get you set up to make sure that your household will be able to get that holiday basket. So each household will receive a confirmation number from 211. That confirmation number, you will need to have that to get your basket. For Broome County, there's only one Thanksgiving basket per household, okay? So please have all that information in hand when you're getting ready to make that 211 call. But all families that sign up for the basket, you receive a phone call or a mail document within 1 to 2 weeks prior to Thanksgiving Day, and this will have all your information on it, as well as when you can pick up your baskets as well. So this is great, guys, okay? But just keep in mind that most of these baskets probably will start giving out probably the week of like November 19th, maybe through the 21st as well. Next, we are headed to Florida, where they have the Thanksgiving Box Brigade in Boca, Florida. Say that 5 times, okay? So throughout the month of October, registered pantry bag clients can sign up to receive a turkey box filled with everything you need to prepare a holiday meal. So once registered with the Pantry Bag Program, clients are eligible for up to a turkey and holiday meal distribution. You must register in advance to receive the Thanksgiving meal prep kit. Now, registration will be available only from October 1st through the 31st, and the following times and locations. They even have drive-through hours can be found on the website. I'll put it is bocahelpinghand.org/TBB registration. Okay, so Thanksgiving Box Brigade, TBB registration. Now, each box will come filled with a 6-ounce stovetop stuffing mix. You will also have a canned gravy, powdered drink, vegetables, as well as fruit cocktails, and then they will have a instant mashed potato mix. Now, guys, I know you're like, girl, you know, like, come on, a lot of this stuff, Shalae, but you know, you can make it shake and bake, okay? You will get canned yams, cranberry sauce, a canned pie filling, and then a 9-inch ready-made graham cracker crust as well. So they're going to put all these things in a box. You'll be able to go home and be able to prepare a meal. And sometimes, guys, you can look at it this way. If you don't like the things in the box, just use it as a supplement to what you're already going to do for Thanksgiving dinner. Next, we are headed to North Carolina, where they have the Thanksgiving Basket Program for applicants needed. So this is the Dare County Department of Health and Human Services. They have partnered with community groups to provide a Thanksgiving assistance program. Now, participation is for all Dare County residents. Applicants will be approved based on your need, the availability of sponsorships, and then, of course, it's going to be the funds, because it's always about the money, right? Participants that are interested in applying for the Thanksgiving Assistance Program can call or visit Dare County Health Department or Services in Manteo at 252-475-5500. You have until October 1st through October 29th to sign up. Anyone that has any questions about the program and applications, you can contact Leah Brinkley at 252-475-5566. Now, also in North Carolina, in Hatteras Island, participants that are interested in applying for their Thanksgiving Assistance Program, you can also pick up an application from the Dare Department of Health and Human Services. So it's kind of like they have different counties or different cities. So if you don't stay in Dare, I think they have Hatteras Island, and then also they have a different contact person where you can contact Jessica at 252-475-9320. So they have like 2 different programs going on, but nonetheless, you would have to fill out an application and get your information on the list. Now, in Pennsylvania, we also have a program to help my seasoned seniors, where they have DoorDash is helping eligible Pennsylvania seniors grab free food delivery boxes. So if you are a homebound senior in Pennsylvania, I don't want you to go hungry this holiday season. DoorDash has partnered with different programs and designed to boost the enrollment with the Pennsylvania Senior Food Box Program that will provide meals for eligible low-income seniors 60 and older. So about 35,000 seniors right now are enrolled in the program, but they estimate about 300,000 seniors are eligible. So this is a great time to enroll in this program as well if you're going to need like those holiday baskets, or if you need transportation to get back and forth to the food pantries, or maybe you're not just good with technology or mobility issues. But to enroll in this program, you would have to fill out a self-certification form on the Department of Agriculture website, or you can call 1-800-468-2433. and they will direct you for your regional food bank distribution center for senior food boxes as well in your county of residence. So they have a lot of things that are going on to make sure that our seniors as well as families are covered this holiday season. If you haven't checked out any of my videos about Christmas assistance for Toys for Tots, definitely check out those videos as well, because I want to make sure that you are good this holiday season. And this all I have, guys. I mean, don't forget, you can always dial 211 from your phone. They're more than willing to help you. Make sure to locate where you can find a food pantry or a holiday gift basket but these are definitely opportunities you don't want to miss out on, okay? But let me know down below if there's some other programs that you know about, that you know that this existed. Let me know some ideas that you would like for me to cover for you this holiday season. And yeah, grab my ebook as well as get this Amazon Prime. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.